Sim AI versus N8N. Today we're going to be testing them out side by side and seeing which one performs the best. Now, if you've not come across Sim AI, basically like very similar to N8N, but it's a lot simpler. What we're going to do is we're going to try and build something here. So let's just try and build something pretty basic. Let's, for example, delete that. We've already built a Slack bot basically, but if we wanted to create something a bit more interesting, let's have a look. So let's see, we've got a bunch of options right here on the left hand side. And then what we can also do is we can go inside the chat here and say, okay, build an SEO writing bot, something like that. Let's see if that can do it. We'll have to use the Copilot. So the chat here is actually for triggering the workflow. So that's how you trigger the workflow. Then if you go over to Pilot here, then you can say, for example, build an SEO writing bot, and then we should be good to go. And Belvin Ranjan says, this is what I need in automation, all API gateway with single Signon, I think something like that. We're getting spams. We got to get rid of that. We can't be having that. So let's see what we got here. So it's analyzing what we're going to do. So it's right, I'm going to fetch your current workflow to confirm the starting point. Then I'll build an SEO writing bot. Let passes a brief, researches, generates an outline, writes a long form draft, etc. Right. So basically, instead of N8N where you kind of have to like build everything yourself, right? And you can use the AI, but it's quite slow. They have like an assistant here, but it is quite messy to be fair. Whereas if you use this, I think you can just go off and start building this out. So you can see now it's analyzing the block choices and it's going to load the available blocks to start using. Now it seems like you can also switch between modes. So for example, like agent and balance mode. And I'd be interested to know, whilst waiting for that, FTZ, Kenny, what sort of stuff in Claude are you trying to automate that maybe we could do with Sim AI today? Just let me know right now. All right, so now it's building out the workflow. And again, we haven't paid for this so far, right? This is on the free plan. It's pretty simple and easy. You can also connect, for example, like Twilio and stuff like that as well.